If there's a ground zero for Dubai's reopening, it's here. The Dubai Mall, in the shadow of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest tower, is cautiously coming back to life. In the first week on the road, back to normality, retailer Nilesh Ved, with nearly 1,800 stores around the region, says the UAE is taking the right approach.
I mean, the mentality is very clear. Health before business or economy, right? And once we fix that, it's the right time now to fix the economy and we move forward.
But the balance is right.
The balance is 100% right.
This entire complex takes in more than 80 million people a year, about 250,000 per day. But in this new COVID reality, it's limited to 30% of normal capacity. And so far, we're nowhere near it. After being in an extended 24-hour lockdown period, the brash emirate is showing extreme caution. At the mall, temperature checks on entry, mandatory masks, social distancing, and no visitors over the age of 60. The opening is a message to the outside world that this emirate, which built its reputation on bold structures, can start to rise again. COVID-19 has undermined consumer spending and knocked the legs out from underneath the oil market. While neighboring Abu Dhabi sits atop most of the oil revenues, Dubai and the Middle East in general remain overly dependent on the wealth it created. The IMF is projecting that this region will see oil revenues drop by more than $250 billion in 2020, and a quick snapback is not likely.
We saw over the last few weeks, it goes beyond anybody's expectations. But I fear that the region is going to remain hostage to lower oil prices for a longer period. And this rapid recovery, for me, came a little bit as a surprise.
John, a new normal is abnormal. As long as we understand that we're going to have this ups and downs, we'll be okay. If people are thinking there's going to be a straight line, it's not going to be.
Through the years, this region has faced many, many challenges. The Iran-Iraq war, the Gulf War, oil and property busts. But categorically, business leaders say this global pandemic is in a league of its own. John Defterius, CNN, Dubai.